same code have in this account, also this account. In this one account is working fine, but in this account, the cloud is kind of off. So cloud is taking rules, taking this long one, that's the cloud. This will be failed. This will be failed to make the solution. And same code for others account will work fine. So I hope we got it. So we can use the different account, same account, to get the better result. Like this account is working fine, and this account, this account is failure. That means this session is not working. So we can add in another session to work with another chart states state the completed task. So it will be failure already, you know, and here he tried more than 10 attempts. After 10 attempts also the failed. So same command is working fine, and we will the solution to it. So thank you.